Today, I had a meeting with the Honorable Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shahji, and four important agendas we discussed. First agenda was regarding a separate cadre for the state of Meghalaya. As you're aware, right now we have a joint cadre of Meghalaya Assam cadre, and no other state in the country have got a joint cadre. And therefore, I have requested and urged the Honorable Home Minister that if the cadre of Assam and Meghalaya could also be segregated and Meghalaya could get its dedicated officials, it would be a great benefit to the state of Meghalaya. The second subject which I took up today in the meeting was regarding the inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I once again reminded Honorable Home Minister that we had passed a resolution in this regard in the Assembly, and multiple times we have submitted a memorandum to him urging him to consider inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule. The third agenda was regarding the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. And as you're aware that we have already passed a resolution in the House and multiple memorandums have been submitted, I reminded the Honorable Home Minister once again, especially keeping in mind the current situation along the international border and the different kind of situations unfolding in the neighboring country. And keeping all of these factors in mind, it was important to not only strengthen the presence of our forces along the border, creation of more infrastructure, but at the same time having a mechanism to check illegal immigration and infiltration in the state of Meghalaya. And given the current circumstances and the current laws that are there in the country, the only option that we have is to go for an ILP, and based on that, we have once again urged the Honorable Home Minister to consider that. The fourth subject that we discussed was regarding naming of a road in the name of late P.A. Sangmaji in New Delhi, the capital of our country. I urged the Honorable Home Minister that late P.A. Sangmaji was a national figure, a person who always has raised his voice for the Northeast, for the tribals and for the minorities, and a tall figure in the Northeast and in the state of Meghalaya, as well as in the country at large. And therefore, it would be truly befitting to have a road in the capital named after late P.A. Sangma. Thank you.